Have you ever wondered why some AI-generated images look like movie scenes, while others look dull and lifeless? The secret isn't always a better AI model. It's often the image style hidden inside the prompt. A single phrase can completely change how artificial intelligence interprets your idea, transforming the same subject into something realistic, animated, futuristic, or even magical. Today, we're exploring 20 of the most popular AI image styles and how each one can completely transform your creations. Let's begin with the most popular style of them all, AI Realistic. This style is designed to imitate professional photography. It focuses on lifelike skin textures, realistic lighting, detailed reflections, and natural camera effects. Portraits become almost indistinguishable from real photographs, making it perfect for advertisements, social media, YouTube thumbnails, and professional marketing images. If your goal is realism, this is usually the best place to start. Next is Unreal Engine style. Originally created for video game development, Unreal Engine is famous for producing incredibly realistic environments. When AI uses this style, scenes become cinematic, dramatic, and highly detailed. Buildings, landscapes, and lighting look like they belong in a blockbuster movie or in AAA video game. It's an excellent choice for science fiction, fantasy, architecture, and action scenes. Moving on to Disney style. Few animation studios have influenced the world as much as Disney. This style creates warm colors, expressive characters, soft lighting, and magical environments that instantly feel welcoming and family-friendly. It works beautifully for fairy tales, storytelling videos, children's books, and animated adventures. Very similar, but with its own identity, is Pixar 3D style. Pixar is known for colorful three-dimensional characters with expressive faces and polished animation. This style makes characters feel alive while keeping a playful appearance. Educational videos, explainer animations, and children's content often benefit from this look because it makes learning more engaging and approachable. If you prefer something adorable, there's Chibi Style. Originating from Japanese art, Chibi characters have oversized heads, tiny bodies, huge eyes, and exaggerated expressions. They're intentionally unrealistic but incredibly cute. This style is perfect for avatars, stickers, mascots, gaming characters, and social media graphics. Now let's step into something handcrafted with Claymation Style. Inspired by stop-motion animation, this style makes everything appear sculpted from clay. Characters have soft textures, visible fingerprints, and handcrafted imperfections that make them feel charming and nostalgic. It's a wonderful choice for children's stories, creative animations, and playful projects. For something much more elegant, we have Japanese ink style. This traditional art style relies on black ink, graceful brush strokes, and minimal detail. Instead of overwhelming the viewer with color, it creates beauty through simplicity. Mountains, rivers, temples, samurai, and nature scenes become calm, peaceful, and timeless. One of the most beloved artistic styles today is Studio Ghibli style. Soft sunlight filters through forests. Small villages feel magical. Gentle colors create warmth and nostalgia. Every image tells a peaceful story. Even ordinary moments become extraordinary through this style, making it perfect for emotional storytelling and fantasy worlds. Another breathtaking anime-inspired style is Makoto Shinkai style. Known for spectacular skies, glowing sunsets, rain reflections, and emotional lighting, this style emphasizes atmosphere more than action. Every image feels cinematic and emotionally powerful, making it perfect for romantic scenes, futuristic cities, and dramatic landscapes. Now let's enter darker territory with dark fantasy style. Here, the world becomes mysterious and dangerous. Ancient castles, haunted forests, mythical creatures, dramatic shadows, and powerful warriors dominate the scene. This style is ideal for horror, fantasy novels, role-playing games, and epic adventures. If darkness isn't your preference, try glow fantasy style instead. Everything glows with magical energy. Floating particles fill the air. Mystical forests shimmer with light. Characters seem surrounded by enchanted power. This style creates dreamlike scenes full of wonder and imagination. Next comes glitch art style. Unlike traditional art, glitch art embraces digital mistakes. Distorted colors, broken pixels, RGB separation, and screen interference become artistic features instead of errors. The result feels futuristic, cyberpunk-inspired, and visually striking. If you appreciate clean modern aesthetics, you'll love flow line art style. Instead of detailed illustrations, this style focuses on elegant flowing curves, glowing gradients, and smooth abstract movement. It's commonly used in technology branding, wallpapers, modern websites, and futuristic designs because of its minimal yet sophisticated appearance. For those fascinated by space, there's Cosmic Particle Style. Imagine galaxies formed from glowing particles instead of solid matter. Nebulas sparkle with colorful dust, stars shine intensely, and the universe feels alive with energy. It's a perfect choice for astronomy, science documentaries, and cosmic artwork. Taking imagination even further is Dream Universe Style. Reality no longer matters. Floating islands drift through colorful skies. Impossible cities hang above the clouds. Gravity seems optional. Every image feels like a dream that could never exist in the real world, making this style ideal for surreal storytelling. Then we have Twin Galaxy Style. This style creates perfectly balanced cosmic scenes using symmetry. Two galaxies mirror each other, planets align beautifully, and reflections create harmony throughout the image. It's visually satisfying and often used for wallpapers and premium digital art. If you're a fan of old machinery mixed with futuristic ideas, you'll appreciate Steampunk Style. Imagine Victorian-era cities powered by steam instead of electricity. Massive gears turn inside towering machines. Brass pipes cover mechanical buildings while airships float across smoky skies. It's one of the richest and most detailed artistic styles available. For something softer, there's Watercolor Painting Style. Brush strokes blend naturally into one another, creating gentle colors and delicate textures. Instead of looking digitally perfect, images feel handmade and artistic. Landscapes, flowers, wildlife, and peaceful scenery work especially well in watercolor. Sometimes less really is more, and that's exactly what flat design style proves. Rather than realistic lighting and textures, flat design focuses on clean shapes, bold colors, simple icons, and easy readability. It's commonly used in websites, mobile applications, presentations, educational graphics, and infographics because it communicates information quickly and clearly. Finally, we arrive at Origami Style. Everything appears folded from paper. Birds, animals, buildings, and even landscapes transform into geometric paper sculptures. This unique appearance creates artwork that's simple, elegant, and instantly recognizable. Now that you've seen all 20 styles, here's one final secret. Great AI images aren't created by describing only the subject. They're created by combining a subject with a visual style, a lighting condition, a mood, a camera angle, and quality details. That combination tells the AI exactly how you want your image to look. The next time you generate an image, don't just ask for a castle, a forest, or a person. Decide whether you want it to look realistic, cinematic, magical, futuristic, painted, or handcrafted. That single decision can completely transform the final result. The more styles you explore, the more creative possibilities you'll unlock. And before long, you'll be creating AI artwork that looks like it belongs in movies, books, games, or professional design portfolios.